Hey there, science enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, Back to Curiosity. Today we're talking about something incredible. New evidence of a massive underground water reservoir on Mars, a finding that could change our understanding of the red planet forever. Using seismic data from NASA's InSight lander, geophysicists have unearthed, quite literally, a large underground reservoir of liquid water on Mars. This isn't just a puddle, we're talking about enough water to cover the entire planet in an ocean 1 to 2 kilometers deep. Now, before you pack your bags for Mars, thinking you'll just drill a well and have beachfront property, there's a catch. This water is trapped deep within the Martian crust, between 11.5 and 20 kilometers below the surface. That's deeper than most mines on Earth, and drilling down that far, especially on another planet, poses an enormous challenge. So while this reservoir won't be supplying a future Martian colony with water anytime soon, it does offer a crucial piece of the puzzle in understanding Mars's water history. For years, scientists have been trying to figure out what happened to Mars' water. We see evidence all over the surface, ancient river channels, deltas, and even lake beds. But most of that water disappeared more than 3 billion years ago when Mars lost its atmosphere. Many believed that water either escaped into space or was locked away in polar ice caps. But this new research suggests something different. Much of that water may have seeped deep into the crust, where it's been hiding ever since. Water may have seeped into the crust! The InSight mission, which landed on Mars in 2018, was designed to explore the planet's interior. Over its 4-year mission, InSight recorded everything from Mars quakes to meteor impacts, helping scientists map the planet's crust, mantle, and core. And here's the exciting part. By analyzing these seismic waves, scientists determined that the mid-crust of Mars is likely saturated with water. This is where things get really interesting. On Earth, we've found life in some pretty extreme environments, deep underground, near volcanic vents at the bottom of the ocean, and even in the harshest deserts. If similar conditions exist on Mars, this underground reservoir could be a potential habitat for life. So, could this reservoir sustain life? Now, this doesn't mean we found life on Mars, but it certainly narrows down the search. Scientists will be eager to figure out how to access this reservoir and determine if it might host life, or at least tell us more about the planet's past. Understanding where Mars's water went and how it's distributed now is key to piecing together the planet's climate history. It might even help us predict what Mars's environment could be like in the future. So what's next? The team behind this discovery published their findings in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, and it's already sparking interest in the scientific community. Future missions to Mars might focus more on these underground reservoirs, potentially giving us a clearer picture of the red planet's hidden secrets. So that's all for today's deep dive into Mars' mysterious underground oceans. If you found this video as fascinating as I did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next cosmic adventure. Thanks for watching, and keep looking up.